welcome back to one of the most underrated YouTube channels on the internet. You see me? I realize I want to really and truly love the Peter and Bass here reaction, so I have to drop another one for you. You see me, I said early morning, you see me, I knock out a couple of videos as well. You see. Also, please subscribe. It's free. You see me? Just subscribe, bro. Also like and share and comment. But subscribe, bro. You see me? Subscribe, dog. Subscribe, bro. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna jump into the video. You see me? Same as always, don't really usual. You see me? Boom.
I guess you never really know what's around the corner, mate. I just remember where it was like.
Man, they look like them a discuss business. I say you know them money all about the money in here, you see me? Strictly business. You see me? Also, you know, the man them also have the typical gold, you see me? Platinum, tiger chain. The man them me short long time. How am I supposed to know this?
You know, I used to laugh and sing, mate. That's what you gotta do.
White or stepper, dripping in black leather. Each stay tucked, never mind cold weather. Bang whenever.
Okay, now that's what someone had to use. my boss a weekly qualify board.
Each stay tucked, never mind cold weather. Bang whenever, your short get peppered. So I get turned black and white like checkers. Black.
What get black and white like checkers? Side turn black and white like checkers. Aye.
I get turned black and white like checkers. Blacks and whites in the bench and it's two-tone suits and the boys black belts like judo. Get slapped down flat, no uno. Feds out guessing who done it just like Cluedo. Shotgun pressed on the chest for the kickback. Check shit get boxed up like a tic-tac.
What? Yo, brother, them wanna never, ever feel for amaze, my brother. Never feel for amaze. Just listen to what the man them a flow, bro. Like I just like 39 seconds into the flipping song. 39 seconds into the song, bro. Pump beat. Like they couldn't just ease in it. Them man not believe in that blouse and skirt. Them man not believe in that, my dog.
Shotgun pressed on the chest for the kickback. Check shit get boxed up like a tic-tac. I fill a fella up with a Big Mac. Lick shots, belly get split like six-pack. I'm in the fast lane, chicks in the back on the bubble with a Chardonnay. I made it through the dark days, phantom. Looking at the roof, you can stargaze. Bright lights picking up the watch cause
Man, I say I look through the roof and can stargaze. Crap.
dark days, phantom. Looking at the roof, you can stargaze.
My phantom, blouse and skirt.
Bright lights picking up the watch cause it's diamond. TikTok clocking with impeccable timing. Hop in the
What? TikTok with impeccable timing? What? Yo, the man can chop edit, well, especially him. This man can chop apart any blouse and skirt flow, brother. Believe me, I tell you. TikTok clocking with impeccable timing. What?
picking up the watch cause it's diamond. TikTok clocking with impeccable timing. Hop in the whip with the first sight of sirens. Back to the pub, vod's up with a liming. Fill another cup, yeah, let me sink that. Own run, knock him out the park when I swing bats. Split him in the middle like a Kit Kat. Split roll, drink, pour,
I love how I said that. Split him in the middle like a Kit Kat. Rate dog said that. Rate dog said that.
middle like a Kit Kat. Split roll, drink, pour, Lord, can I kick back? Kickback doesn't work well with the work ethic. I've been through
Facts. Kick back no work well with the work ethic, bro. You can't get lazy, my killer. You can't get lazy, which is why I have 3 videos, isn't it? Aye, but I record 3 videos. I'm not sure if I like it, you're gonna get 3. If I don't like it, then I just say go. Then I want a video with scrap, brother. Like, I'm gonna just a start. Just imagine.
doesn't work well with the work ethic. I've been through the dirt and I learned lessons. Went from a dinger with a dents in there, got vents in the bonnet in its pearlescent. Vents in the bonnet in its pearlescent. Skirt in the dark like a wicked, right for the picking, fried like a chicken. He could have been alive, but he's kicking the bucket, down to the bone, finger licking. Right in the place on
that. Like, you know, like a bucket of chicken, you know, KFC bucket of chicken, and you know, KFC finger licking. Aye.
in the
Smart.
bucket, down to the bone, finger licking.
Breaking the plates on the face of a chump, then I'm breaking his bread, then I'm taking a chunk. I ain't never leave a trace, cause I did them up freehand. Gloves on, they ain't getting.
It look like a right, they're literally right. Well, them are old school anyways. Me expect them to start write their lyrics. Yes, but it look like it's a book him write them songs in bro.
Cause I did them up freehand. Gloves on, they ain't
Yeah.
getting prints off of these
Yeah,
hands.
glance done
Meat
in them
hand,
glasses.
veg in a platter. The wads got thicker, then the belly got fatter. When the feds come knocking at the door for the same old, I'ma just knock him out flat, no chatter.
Double chuffing the blunt,
Me
chugging the bomb by
rhyme
John
scheme,
Wayne.
Come knocking at the door for the same old, I'ma just. Belly got fatter. When the feds come knocking at the door for the same old, I'ma just knock him out flat, no chatter.
Double chuffing the blunt, chugging the bomb.
Like the dog rhyme, the first bar, couple rhyme in between. You see me? And on the second bar, you rhyme the last rhyme on the first rhyme on the first bar with the last bar on the second. When you get to me, I say, aye.
By John Wayne Gate when I'm stepping on the runway. 6-shot cut down, Winnie for the gunplay. Pray for my sins in the church on a Sunday. Spill a man's beans, I'm a drunk chef. Close cut, shaving his dome like a monk's head. Bloodshed, taste for the
What? Shave what like bunking?
drunk chef. Close cut, shaving his dome like a monk's head. Bloodshed, taste for the flesh like I'm undead. Sleep best when I'm locked up in a bunk bed.
Pop skipping the jump past the pump, bow, let his body slump in the pub.
What?
Pop skipping the jump past the pump, bow, let his body slump in the pub garden. Sit
What?
past the pump, bow, let his body slump.
Let his body slump in the pub in the garden. But slump in the pump. What? Me can't even say this alright. Me don't know how this I'm gonna say it. Let his body slump in the pump garden. Let his body slump in the pump garden. Okay, me get it. Cool.
Slump in the pub garden. Sitting finish beginnings top in the morning. The first flight, oh man,
See if finish beginnings. What? Yo, this I wanna G. Oh God, brother. Oh God, brother. This I'm gonna never feel for your amazement, bro.
sitting finish beginnings top in the morning. The first flight, oh man, I'm gone and I'm laughing. Smiling, increasing, he's folded and leaking. I've tried to control him, I ought to delete him. Alive in the morning and dead by the evening. I'm taking him home cause the pigs need feeding.
Glad when I walk, make money when I talk. No time for the pork, that lines and the chalk. White lines on the board, if you need it, you call me. 3 for 100, same old story. 450, chop.
Yo, that man a smooth, bro. That man a smooth like Bailey's rum. That man a smooth like Bailey's rum, brother. That man a smooth, yo. Listen to the man. You just listen to the man. Just listen to how smooth the dog transition.
On the board, if you need it, you call me. Lines and the chalk, white lines on the board, if you need it, you call me. Pork, that lines and the chalk. Glad when I walk, make money when I talk. No time for the pork, that lines and the chalk. White lines on the board, if you need it, you call me. 3 for 100, same old story. 450, chopped by the pan. Slept in the reps and it's 15 grand.
When you hear the one smooth dog, like 2 things forward to me head a while ago. Smooth operator, a smooth criminal combined. If they were a rap song, that would be it. Swear to God. Swear.
Slept in the reps and it's 15 grand. 15 large for the longthorne shotgun. A shot from nets and expensive rain.
Bar settings. Watch him on them. Yo, this shot. Marry this one. Jaguar, nice. Dog statue, bro. Soon me charges. We know we are talking about. Soon and very soon. But yeah, that was Pete and Bass, Longthorne shotgun. You see me? To be very frank with you, it never too uppity. You see me? It just calm, cool, and relax. You know, me really like that. You see me? I really like the vibe, because you can see like them a transition in a more business oriented type. You see me? Like they want to show see how them make moves to the shit. You see me? I'm a fully supported. You see? So yeah, without further ado, you see me? Remember to like, share, comment, press the button down below that says subscribe. You see me? Because we need the support. You know what I mean? And it also pushes my content further. Boom.